Check out my Society 6 shop at society6.com/keepitcrafty. Or for these specific products, you can find links in the description below. I've wanted to try soap making for a little while now, so I decided to get a soap making kit. If you're also curious about soap making, then this video is a good way to see what it's like when you're first starting out. This kit came with flower-themed silicone molds, clear and white soap bases, dried flower petals, a silicone loaf mold, and a box to stabilize the loaf mold. It also came with a soap cutting box, a wavy blade, a straight blade, stir sticks, different colored labels, 6 fragrances, 6 dyes, and a pitcher. The first step is to cut your soap base into 1-inch cubes. I'll only be using one of the flower molds, so I'll only need one soap base. Then put the cubes in the pitcher. Fill a medium-sized pot with several inches of water and then bring it to a boil. Then turn down the heat until your water's simmering and put your pitcher in the water. I thought the stir sticks that came with the kit were a little too small. Luckily I had something bigger on hand because it did end up taking a lot of stirring to get the cubes to melt all the way. It took about 20 minutes for them to melt completely, and then I added the dye. After a little bit of stirring, I added about half the bottle of fragrance, and then I stirred again. I added some flowers and then poured in the soap. The directions said to wait 12 to 24 hours to remove the soap from the molds. I'll definitely be trying the loaf mold next, so stay tuned for another video on that.